Let's get pumped.
Just get here for lunch. Tell Justin to do better.
Justin's old and busted. Let's be honest, Tila. I'm going to make fun of him all day long. T-Town Heroes on our left. Avalanche on our right. Avalanche going to lose their snake player, though. Oh, and they're going to lose. And Avalanche is going to lose their snake corner. Braden Harris is going to get shot.
4-on-2 for T-Town. Is Eric playing with them today, do you know?
Pine?
No, Morrissey.
No, he is not. Trapper is playing with them, though. Ooh, Trapper counter getting nasty. That's a quick point, too.
50 seconds? That'll do it. Yeah, Saturday shower days.
Quit telling people my secrets. What's your problem?
We can always beat you against a rock, too, at the river.
Avalanche on our left. Uh-oh, penalty on Avalanche. Playing on, got shot, knew it, and was still shooting. I hear Trapper calling an Oklahoma call, but nobody's doing anything about it on the Snake side. He's still at S2.
They're up a point.
Yeah.
There's no reason to push it. But, I mean, they lost their snake insert. He's wrapping the snake 3. What are you doing? Just go to their snake 3 if you're going to do that.
That's Trent from K-State. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, it's K-State. You know they're not going to win a national championship.
Oh my gosh. Are you a KU fan?
Come tell me to push.
Trey, it's not the Chris you think it is either. It's Chris Kurtz. It's not Chris Cole.
Is this the Trey from last time that needed you to call him?
Yeah, Trey Garrison from Avid. Trey Garrison from Avid. Yep, he's one of the owners at Avid. Oh, Dion running in to check him. Alejandro's looking. We're good.
Oh, is Trey in the snake? Is
Trent's in the snake.
Is that Trey's son?
Stepson, redhead stepchild. Let's be honest.
You know it ain't Chris Cole because I have hair.
And his voice is not as deep. Oh! Hey, nope. Get out.
Illegitimate stepson.
I don't know which one that's on. Which one is it on? Which one is it on? On Avalanche?
Let's sort it out. Well, good morning, Trey. Thanks for joining us.
Heck yeah. All right, we're going to have T-Town on our left, Avalanche on our right.
Avalanche down 4 bodies.
Not starting down 4 bodies. They're starting with 4 bodies. Gosh.
You know what I meant. They knew what I meant.
I knew what you meant. Oh, Scott. Maybe. No.
Bobby going into the check.
Nice.
You know he got shot.
Are you sure?
No, I'm talking about Bobby getting shot.
Oh, Bobby gets shot. Oh, I was like, what?
That's what I'm saying. Like, shout out to
When I watch Juan run in and dive in and slide, and then I see him get up and he takes one right to like the love handle. I'm like, oh man, I do not envy you right now because that is terrible. That's the thing that sends me 0 to 100 real fast is the love handles. Getting shot in the love handles, I just want to just punch somebody right in the face. Jason Griffith getting up there in the center of the field, probing around a little bit. Needs to be careful. And
Go get him. There's a bunker. Still alive. Shoots out the home. Switches his gun over. Nice little 3-pack.
Yep.
And he's like, you know who's not going to hit the buzzer? This guy right here. Our freestyle jerseys were works.
Yep. Yeah.
Black and red warped jerseys. Warped jerseys.
Yeah, Ed and I've had lots of conversations. We still talk weekly. So, and glad to hear he's doing better because he had a ruptured, not appendicitis. So he's doing really good.
Dang, you and your HIPAA violations.
My HIPAA violation? What? Warbled? No, but it's so. Yeah, I've known Ed for a long time, and we're good friends. We used to drive to a lot of events, and we a lot of talks.
Yeah, he shows up on my Facebook feed because I know so many, my Facebook
Someone
just
knows somebody, yeah.
all, like, I've got family members that aren't even on there. See, did you get shot in the head?
I hear that tink 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 tink. They're all just shooting this way. Yeah, unfortunately, the player here for Trent's feeling the pressure, and
He's about to wear it too. T-Town closed it out.
Point approved. Game finished.
in game on your left, Avalanche on your right. This is the Avalanche's second game, and this is in-game second game as well. In-game's going to lose a player off the Dorito side. Nick Waller's going to make a move up there into the command center for in-game. In-game player coming off the Dorito side as well. Leaving just 3 bodies left alive for in-game. I believe Avalanche is still 5 alive. But in-game is still pushing up the snake. First snake player is going to get eliminated for in-game. Second player fills. Now he's going to get shot. And if I was in-game, I'd blow the horn. Good first point for Avalanche. What?
Well, this is the last place team out of this one needs to be quick.
They don't want to? They already lost to them.
I know. That's what they were. They don't mind losing. They just don't want to lose to those guys. So what's Shuffle sit now? They 1-1.
Yep.
Because their last game is Shuffle. Their last match is Shuffle.
A lot of game time has come off this.
I think Field is slowing down though.
Mm-hmm.
Who else is Bricktown?
What'd you say?
Who else is Bricktown now? Green.
Green. They've got to play Avalanche and SK.
Okay. SK's 2-0. Bricktown's 2-0.
Yep. Avalanche is looking good in this match.
I could explain the snake there.
Mm-hmm.
He's up too long, but.
Did that have an onion on it?
Hmm?
Did that have an onion on it?
Mm-hmm.
I smell it. Avalanche player is going to get taken out of the snake.
But it's like a pickled onion that is more like a banana pepper. Because I don't like onions,
Mm-hmm.
but I like this sandwich a lot.
Player for Avalanche back there in the snake corner.
I don't think you
It's a
can play any
2-on-1.
higher.
Yeah, it's a 2-on-1 in favor of in-game right now.
60 seconds.
But we are just under a minute.
Take the highway. Got him, go.
In-game's going to get on the board. With 32 seconds left.
Overtime to 1-on-1s.
Stop.
42.
You can send it though.
right, in-game on our left. Avalanche on our right. Player running off for Avalanche. Oh, Avalanche is going to try and come through the center. Then he's going to get taken out. Game time finish. Nope. Overtime. All right. All right, love you. Bye-bye. All right, Speedwagon, or sorry, not Speedwagon. In-game on your left and Avalanche on your right. Avalanche gonna lose one out of the juice box.
Bubba.
Yep, Bubba's gonna go in and check the back center. He's clean.
Game posted up on that snake wire. I don't think he has a player behind him either. I don't think either snake player has a player behind him.
Nope. And in-game's gonna lose their center player, leaving a Dorito Tower, a Dorito 1, and a Snake 2. Body advantage right now is in favor of Avalanche.
I don't think the in-game player knows like his Dorito Tower was watching over him. I think he's safe from that snake too.
Braden Harris making it out to the snake corner. Oh my gosh.
Or not.
Nope. Avalanche is going to get a penalty.
And, oh, picked him up way too late. He's taking this one.
All right, Bucks will be on our left. Avalanche on our right. Game on. Cole Stubby going ahead, getting in the snake.
Quick work into the snake too.
Bucks.
Snake 3.
Bucks going to lose a player off the Dorito side. So is Avalanche. Both teams 4-on-4.
Avalanche is now made over to the Dorito Tower. Spread the field out some.
You sit down. Perfect.
careful. Avalanche player getting in the snake, gonna crawl down. Sorry, we saw the same thing at the same time. Dan Stevenson gonna go get in the snake now too to go at least match him.
Head down. Buck's got the call. He's in there.
Yep. Bucks also have. Yep, I was about ready to say that.
He's tucking everybody up.
Avalanche losing a Dorito player. And yeah, but Avalanche has a player there in the snake wedge.
Did they shoot out the Bucks?
I don't know.
50? Because he's standing up wide. They're tall.
Nope.
No.
Now they're on their side. But Bucks don't know that there's a snake player still. Get him, and gonna get that Avalanche player.
Came through clean.
Gosh.
Yes, you do hear Glenn and Hot Dog.
Glenn, do you like hot dogs?
They all make fun.
Brother!
They call Meyer hot dog.
Aren't you glad they don't call you hot dog? You're just Glenn.
You're just Glenn.
See?
Avalanche on our left, Bucks on our right. Bucks are gonna lose dirt.
Ah, please, I already asked you nicely. Give him a chip. Meyer, he let you have those chips. Let him have one. Which one are you gonna give him? One. Good. Come here, he's gonna give you one.
Not happy about it.
The smallest one in the pack.
Avalanche does not want the Bucks player to get to that snake player.
No, but it's a 4-on. I mean, it's a 4-on-4. Avalanche is gonna lose their snake insert player. I don't know. Oh, and Avalanche is gonna lose their Dorito wedge or snake wedge player. Yep.
Are you done?
It's gonna be
There's
like
not much left.
snake juice box left over. Might be a good time for a towel.
One player left in the juice box, and they're gonna towel it.
No, 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 no. Can you hold your horses?
Everytown losing their snake player. And both their center players. Somebody's dialed in on the center.
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess it was the Dorito Tower.
He's getting pretty good at making that shot.
He made them both. Five on three. Avalanche is gonna have to make something of this because they're not gonna towel this. Your town's crossed up. Changing levels.
What did you get? Did you
I've never seen it.
Yeah.
I've never seen.
Yeah.
Oh, it's your dad's candy store. I've never seen a kid eat 10 pieces of candy so quick.
He's pretty quick candy eater. I
He
know.
only wanted one, and I was like, okay.
I knew you were
Well,
kidding
when you
because
give
there's
him
nobody
candy
who
up
would
here
have done
and
that.
strong,
I guess
they're
it's the white one. I like it. You like it? You ate a piece of candy already. On your way out,
Just
you're
tell him
looking
it's
at
nasty and he doesn't want it. Okay.
And Mom, we saw him grab the dog.
This
We
is
did?
good.
I know. Dog was it?
Green on our right. All right. Thunder Dan up here in the center. Both teams with a player in S1. Avalanche player making a move up there into the juice box, but they're going to lose their Dorito Tower player.
He's at 5 on 3 now in favor.
Yeah. Lots of game time left.
So making it to that baby is going to be hard to do with the Snake 3. Hard position to cross roll too, because you really your Snake 1 really can't shoot behind that Snake wedge to protect you.
And Dan's going to get eliminated, but he's the last one. All right, Bricktown and Avalanche back on the field. Cole Stubby getting in Snake. Am I seeing this correctly? That Avalanche opted not to go to the Snake, like, and they put more people on Dorito side? Did I see that?
I mean, if you're down points, I think that's how you pull points on this map. But you do have to put somebody in the Snake to kind of keep them from just crawling.
Yeah.
Avalanche just maybe have a Snake corner.
Yeah, not now. Unfortunately.
And why stop them? Just kidding. It's almost like you should have a call for that. It's like a state.
I don't think they do that. I could be wrong. Avalanche making aggressive push up there on the Dorito side.
Is he kicking the beam?
He is kicking the beam.
Yeah.
He is.
He's trying to get him to shoot at him.
No,
It's not really doing anything.
he's dropping a sick beat.
What's the purpose? There's nobody in the Snake corner. Why would he
I
back
thought
up?
his legs were rounded for a
Exactly.
second. He had
Yeah.
legs on both sides
But he
for a
backed
second.
up. He backed up. He could have gone for the next thing, wrapped it, and shot that dude in that corner.
Yeah.
And shot the 50.
He's getting his steps in.
All your dudes are dying with this. Oh, he ended off.
In theory, that wasn't gonna work.
Oh, they got one.
Avalanche taking a Dorito wedge off the break.
Yep. And they're opting for not playing the Snake, but they get an elimination off the Dorito side. And an elimination out of the Snake can too, so they're 5 on 3, and here they go.
Also made on the Dorito side.
From which one? Avalanche.
Yeah. They also filtered out to the snake corner. Just tell your snake player to go.
Yeah.
Lost another center player, making it 3-on-3. You have an open snake.
Are you sure they lost?
Yeah.
No, Avalanche has. Oh, they lost the snake guy. Now it's 3-on-3.
Okay.
But he also gets an elimination, so now it's a 3-on-2 in favor of Avalanche.
Just go.
Yeah, just come on, bud. Just go.
Just go.
There he goes.
And just keep going.
All the way. And Avalanche is going to be up there in the 50 Dorito now.
Playing over the top, wheeling, dealing. He's trying to close it out.
Yep. I don't think he knows that guys is there in the back center because he's not really shooting at him. There we go.
Alright, back to the drill.
Zach Cassidy, we see you.
I think my low-key guys need to, like, sound off in the chat. Say hi.
Yeah, they're not being very talkative.
No.
Bunch of nerds. All right, Avalanche on our left, MWAG on our right.
Big bite at the center, shooting snake side. Snake's clean for monkey with a gun. See if they keep it that way. And make it in clean. Got a snake corner. They let him in the snake corner.
They did. Am I seeing 5-on-5 for both teams still? With MWAG in the center of the field? Yep. Maybe he's muted.
First team in the snake. Looks like he lost the B side though. Still at the center. Tactical retreat back to the snake wedge. I don't know if I like that center 50. So it seems like, I mean, yeah, you're locking the zone, but
It's not really, I mean, it's not super
yeah, you kinda
effective.
wasted gun. Waste lost it. Snake corner.
Avalanche kind of giving up the snake a little bit. But MWAG getting all the way up there into the S3.
Just trying to go and find the snake corner. Put him in, maybe.
Oh.
Snake 50. Nope.
Players out. And
Slam dunks on 1, 2. Tells partner commit buzzer.
I don't think so.
No.
I think the Avalanche guy's still alive. I think the MWAG player. There we go. That's what I thought. Point approved.
Oh, Logan making excuses.
Oh, and Monkey with the Gun's gonna lose their snake guy. Avalanche has that lane locked down. I think that's probably like the 4th or 5th time that I've seen them shoot the snake guy off break.
They're playing better than their record shows. And they're playing good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they just shot out the snake corner too. Don't stop there. Don't stop there. Okay, stop there, I guess. Here we go. His snake wedge was like, hey, let me go to this mini W.
Yeah,
so
this
that way
is
you
Braden
have to
Harris
go.
here. He's going to wrap.
Concession.
Caleb got sick again?
Yeah,
Jeez.
but I think the guys practicing together and playing as a team.
Yeah. All right, Avalanche on our left. Monkey with the gun with a pretty hard fall over there, going up to that snake side wedge.
They said this side of the turf is actually pretty sticky,
Yeah.
especially on the snake side. Looks like they got lost. They lost one on the Dorito side. Looks like he's walking off on the backside.
Yep. Avalanche lost one too. So both teams 4-on-4.
I mean, Monkey with the Gang can't sit back there. They need to. You know, we also had the Weekend Warriors last Sunday to practice with too.
Oh yeah.
You know, we practiced with those guys quite a bit. They're good guys.
Monkey with the gun making a move up there into the Dorito 1. Now Avalanche is going to make a move into the snake. But they also have a snake corner. Honestly, that Avalanche snake corner player just needs to be wrapping and help them put these guys in so that snake can just go straight down.
Why is there? Stop it there. Just go.
I don't get it. Why?
Did you guys not watch the covers last week?
Well, the other thing I don't understand too is why is the guy coming over from Avalanche over to the snake side? Why is he leaving the Dorito side? I don't understand that.
Well, they have a Dorito time. They have a
And-
Dorito corner.
yeah,
They
that-
knew he was going to get shut out.
That's weird.
And so the clairvoyance of that
That's just weird.
knew he had to cover.
Yeah, that's super weird. Snake player just needs to go down. Go down and shoot people in the back. Don't get up. What are you doing, kid? Get down your belly and crawl.
Go to their snake 3 and get up.
No. Keep going.
I
Keep
mean,
going.
if nothing else.
There he goes.
Except you hit the bunker.
Yeah, he did. And now he's going to come up right into a ball probably. Yeah, he did. Gosh, dang. Another Avalanche Dorito player is going to come off, but so is an MWAG player. I think it's 2-on-1.
But you can't tell.
Nope, I wouldn't. I wouldn't at all.
Yeah, it's a game match over if you do.
Oh, is that Dan? I think that's Dan. Dan didn't need to necessarily go do that.
I mean, if he goes the other, I mean, I don't think if you don't know where he's posted, like you know he's there, but you don't know where he's posted, you're gonna
Yeah.
go in the direction. I mean, try. You know what I mean? It's better than just sitting there getting ran down.
I don't think Avalanche knows that
What's the movie with the guy, isn't it?
there's nobody. Sorry, Monkey with the Gun. I don't think Monkey with the Gun knows that there's nobody left alive. They're gonna take their sweet time clearing this field, though. All right,
4 seconds.
it'll be a wag on our left. Avalanche on
Going
right. And MWAG's going to go and do the full spread. I think that's everybody.
Yeah. Hey, I'm not against that.
No.
Give it a shot. Why not?
Nope. Avalanche is going to win this match here 3-1. There you go.